Google is announcing the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Pixel Watch 3, and Pixel Buds Pro 2 on August 13th. Google may have been trying to prevent comprehensive leaks of its upcoming devices. Today we have a ton of newly leaked promo videos and leaked official cases. We saw marketing materials containing what could be the specs. Another video also see that Pixel 9 Pro XL real live camera testing, and you can zoom high as 30x. Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL is seen in Porcelain, Rose, Hazel, and Obsidian. The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL have a 50-megapixel primary camera, 50-megapixel ultrawide, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and 50-megapixel selfie camera. The Pixel 9 Pro will offer a 6.1-inch screen, and the Pixel Pro XL will offer a 6.7-inch screen with 120Hz OLED panels. And Google Pixel 9 Pro XL's its Tensor G4 processor has one 3.10 GHz prime core, three 2.6 GHz performance cores, and four 1.95 GHz efficiency cores. It also comes with 16 GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also packs the Mali G715 graphics processor. Google is adding native support for satellite messaging to Android OS this year with Android 15. The Pixel 9 family and the next-gen foldable is the first to support Android's native satellite implementation. Pixel 9 Pro power by 5000 mAh battery. The NCC reports also reveal new charging speeds for the Pixel 9 series. A new 45W Google-branded charging brick, the Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. Pixel 9 series also giving 7 years of OS and security updates. It seems that Google may take a new approach with the Pixel 9 series by launching 3 device models at once. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.